Welcome to the Vector Garden. In this video we are going to talk about outlining strokes. So I want to build this kind of artwork. Let's take a look in the outline view. It looks like this. And the easiest way to do this is of course drawing a path, giving it a fat stroke and another stroke which creates the white gaps, and then outlining that and then building further. So let's do that. I have this prepared. So here is the path. It looks like this in the outline view, and I have applied a fat stroke. And let's go to the appearance panel and let's just duplicate this stroke and make it blue and make it fatter. So let's select this again and do this again. So let's make this blue and make it fatter, like so. Okay, so the next step is we need to outline this. And first of all, what we need to do is expand this appearance. So let's go to Object, Expand Appearance, and this gives us a group. You see that in the Layers panel. So there is a black stroke and a blue stroke in that group. And let's select these two. And to expand the stroke, you need to go to Object, Path, and then Outline Stroke, like so. And then you can build this. So let's take a look at this in the outline view, and you see they don't cross, because outline stroke does get rid of this overlap. It just unites this here. So we can't use that. Let's undo it and go into the preview again. And thankfully, we've got a second way to outline a stroke, which is in Object, Flatten Transparency. And in there, we have the option Convert all strokes to outlines. Well, you would say, okay, now this will also unite this. Let's try it. And let's go into the outline view, and you see this works differently. This keeps these overlaps, and we can build from here. And in order to build that, let's go to Live Paint, take the Live Paint bucket, and then I'm going to pick up here and just fill these in here like so. And this is my construction. And what we can now do is also replace the blue by none. So I'm going to use the arrow keys to go through this. There's none. And I can just triple click. And this exchanges the blue for none. And the next step, what we can do is just go to Expand. You see, some of them it didn't get rid of. And of course, what we also need to do is go to Window and then into the Pathfinder panel and then use Merge, like so. And then we've got our construction. So these are the two different ways to outline a stroke, which make a big difference in some cases. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.